commando. Graffiti artists, b-boys, the beatboxers, MCs and DJs who be proper.
What up, yo? Big Son Daddy representing Philadelphia, New York, Savannah, Georgia. And we here at Crate Diggers, gonna hold it down. 4 Elements and Beyond style like that. You know?
So where can people check out your music?
Check out beyondtheelements.bandcamp.com and 4 Elements and Beyond everything. 4 Elements and Beyond Instagram. You know what I mean?
Awesome, man. Can't wait for your performance, bro.
No doubt. Peace.
Alright, peace, man.
Crew tape's getting ready. Come on inside. Alright, yo. Thanks for coming out, yo. Highly appreciate everybody that came out.
Let's go, Big!
Y'all ready to give this shit on and butter? Element shit. Sound good. The mic sound good? If y'all ready, let me see one hand up in the air one time. Check it out. Yeah. Sharp razor, bar slayer, bar laying in a park, waiting on the day that God saves us. Crack gushes, spark hazes through the dark ages. Rappers all sweet, like they only come in Clark flavors. Damn, where's your heart, player? Matter of fact, fuck it. Halo on the cap, where's the heart, player? Yeah, I dearly depart fakers with verses painted on the finest archival art papers. Charcoal, pick a crew and my team will demolish them. Real, rugged and raw rhyming, there's no need for polishing. Time and time again, I tried to tell y'all not to waste your time with them. They just taking up oxygen. Look, I'm just a rap fan, brother. So when our rap fans be like, damn, that man's butter. Everything is sublime that man utter. But I shine. Trust. They need to know we coming. Shit. And it's more than just me coming. That's why I got another microphone in my hand. Let me see. It work? Check, check, check. Try that, scrub. Yeah. I had to bring my brother from New York. So Philadelphia, please. Make some noise for my man, Freak the motherfucking monster. Yeah. Welcome, bro.
I love it already.
Let's drop one of your beats on.
Let's get it.
A monster, murder motherfuckers like Manflago. That's a promise. Let's fucking be real, rap acts, maniacs. Let's go. Come on. Yo, you're on too short to. Yeah, I'm on the two grenades. The pen in hand is like a brutal gaze. The truest out the beautiful ways to crucify you. We hold weight like solid gold plates. Scouring through the crates, we will sit in for round table debates. So the mentals fit together like the perfect puzzle. No empty threats, we lift the muzzle just to touch the league and curtain ruffle. Tomb, we keep it raw from the womb to the tomb. From the womb to the motherfucking tomb. Y'all know we keep it raw from the womb to the tomb. That F-dot shit. Y'all know the name already, right? Yeah. We go by FBB, which is 4 Elements and Beyond. Representing New York, Philadelphia, and all that. Y'all know this shit? La, ah, we. Ooh, la, ah, we. Oh, but y'all know, get me down, God's dead for our future presentation. Ooh, la, FBB. Ooh, la, FBB. It's easy. Ooh, la, it's just those letters right there. Ooh la la F-E-B. Ooh la la F-E-B. Ooh la la F-E-B. Come on. Ooh la la on the iMac. Unplug the drug and make it sky tap. Rhyme raps or live tracks. High on time sacks a lilac. Make the stage feel like an IMAX. Smash your favorite rapper. Smash the entire venue. No amount of laughing will bring you back from what I said. So hold the applause. Once I get the gold in my paws, start feeling like the villain with the glow in my claws. Welcome to the home of the Lords. Greek myths, Roman gods. Each script turn you to stone with the bar. You know the cause and effect. It's life and death when the mic is checked. You and I are not alike. People get swiped and left. Mark a move and make a stark improvement. I've been rocking over monster music since I was a toddler. Stupid. Spewing jargon smoother than Marvin when I carve a jeweler. Bringing the horror like Garlic Jr. to charge your juice up. You wanna whip up on your shit, cause shit's like my price for it. Get like that, it's staying twice.
This is Master Chef Toast TV, yeah? Master Chef Toast TV, all the way from South Africa. Yeah, we enjoyed your performance there, man. Yeah, just tell the people where they could get your music, you know.
Yo, Freak the Monster, one known producer, MC from 4 Elements and Beyond. Rock with us here at Trade Diggers. Come check our music out. We on BeyondTheElements.bandcamp.com. All social networks, 4 Elements and Beyond. Freak the Monster, Big Son Daddy. My man, Word Life.
Alright. And great energies, dope energies, man. And y'all do, and are you like also solo artists in your own
Yeah, we got our
respective?
solo stuff too, but we're really working on our group album right now. So we're about to drop our group album, Clock the Chemistry, coming soon.
Alright.
Produced by me, a lot of in and out chemistry, that crazy hard, boom bap, raw street shit.
Awesome. I dig it, man. I dig it. Dope stuff,
A lot
yeah.
of people gonna fuck with that. Don't sleep on the name, man. 4 Elements and Beyond. Watch for it, I promise you.
Bless. Thank you, man.
People who respect the code we live under. Graffiti artists, B-boys, the beatboxers, MCs and DJs who keep it proper. The past to live now and those to keep it stop. And it don't 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 stop.